Scientists gave children and chimps the exact same puzzle. The chimps look smarter, but what actually happened might explain how humans became so successful.
You give a fascinating example about how chimps learn versus how human infants learn.
So the experiment that you're referring to was run by Victoria Horner and Andy Whiten. And what they did was they took young chimps and young humans and they gave them a box. A demonstrator, the experimenter, took a stick and poked their hole through the top and poked their hole through the side so that the young chimps and the children could see this in separate conditions. So in poking their hole through the top and poking their hole through the side, the chimps got a piece of fruit and the children got a sticker. So the experimenter handed this box to the chimps, and of course the chimps, being smart, they poked their hole through the top, poked their hole through the side, got their fruit, happy chimps. And then the experimenter did the same thing and handed it to the children, and of course the children poked the hole through the top, poked the hole through the side, got their sticker, happy kids. Now in the key variation, it's the same box, except that instead of being opaque where you can't see what's going on inside, it's a completely clear box. And now it's very clear to the chimps and the children that that first action doesn't actually do anything. There's kind of a floor or a ceiling at the top, and it's only the side action that retrieves the reward. Now chimps are smart, right? So they were like, what's this first action? Irrelevant. Go straight for the second action and retrieve the fruit, and the chimps are happy. But again, the experimenter pokes their hole through the top, pokes their hole through the side, and hands it to the children. What did the children do? Poke their hole through the top, poke their hole through the side. They copied exactly what the adults did. So what seems to be going on with our species is that your head is filled with these recipes, right? You don't even see them or notice them anymore, but ever since you were a child, you learned that you got to brush your teeth in the morning. Some people brush before breakfast, some people brush after, and everybody's got kind of a story around it, you know? But really what you have are recipes without real causal understanding of what's going on. In other words, we've kind of deferred an understanding to the collective. We're engaging in a kind of crowd computing where instead of relying on hardware that allows us to figure things out over the course of our own lifetime or figure things out just through trial and error learning, we can benefit from accumulated beliefs and values and behaviors and entire ways of thinking that are almost like software. They're apps that we get to download as children and then use as adults.